bloody pimple. Oh. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did I just spit? First of all, let me just say, can we see something new? No, it's not my Botox. Someone has a new studio lights and a better video quality. Okay. When I see my videos in 2020, I'm like, but hey, that's all part of the growing process. Anyhow, please let me know in the comments down below if you really like this new video quality. In today's video, I'm showcasing cool smoky eyes and pink warm lips. If you would like to see how we created this gorgeous makeup look on our beautiful model Martina, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm starting off by cleaning and prepping her skin for the skincare that I'm going to use. And for today's video, I'm going to use two of the ordinary products. I will start off with the hyaluronic acid and I will massage it onto Martina's face to prepare her skin for the makeup products. Once the hyaluronic acid sinks into the skin, I will tap the hemi squalene onto her skin to get that fresh, glowy result. For foundation, I'm using the Forever Undercover by Dior and this is in the shade 21. I'm going to apply the foundation in the center of her face because this foundation is in the neutral shade range. It looks slightly yellow on camera, but once this is blended, it's gonna look perfect. With the tip of the brush, I'm dispersing the product all over her face before I blend it into her skin with the Beauty Blender by Wet n Wild. I'm using the Concealer and Define Concealer by Revolution, which is a perfect dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. To brighten up the face, I'm going to start from the inner corner of the eye. This is the reason why, because I like the most product to be concentrated in the inner corners because that's usually where we do have the most discoloration, and slowly dragging and blending the product outwards. To set the face, I'm using the Mercier translucent powder and I'm applying it at the same place where I have applied the concealer. For the eyebrows, I'm always using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and this time in the shade medium brown. Martina already have perfect eyebrow shape, however, I need to fill up some gaps. She also likes her brows lifted and to achieve that lifting effect, I will work and apply the pomade mainly in the tail of her brow and whatever is left on the brush will be applied in the beginning of the brow in feather kind of strokes. Now at the end you can see, boom, the lifting effect. As a contour, I'm using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics and I'm going to start by sculpting her face, starting from the cheekbones, and you can see that the intensity of the product is exactly near the hairline. With this, we can get that chiseled effect. Once I'm ready with the cheekbones, I'm going to proceed with the forehead. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping the product before I'm going to blend it into the hairline as well. I'm going back to define the eyebrows with the same concealer I have used under her eyes. I will also use the concealer as an eyeshadow base because I will be working with highly pigmented shadows. Just before I start the eye look, I will set the concealer with a translucent powder. For this tutorial I'm using an eyeshadow palette that I highly recommend and it's the Semi Sweet x9 by MAC Cosmetics. As a transition shade, I'm using the shade Bamboo to cover and blend the lid. I'm using the shade Mocha Minded in the crease and to deepen out the corner, I'm using the shade Dance in the Dark. To deepen even more, I'm using the shade Carbon. To get more diffuse look, I'm using the lightest shade from the inner corner to the center, and I'm blending the medium shade in the edges to diffuse the harsh lines. I did the eyeliner off camera as the footage was not that good, and I will proceed to apply the medium and the deeper shades under the waterline to tighten up this eye look. The false lashes I'm using today are slightly more dramatic, as this whole entire look is dramatic himself. But without a doubt, at the end with the result we were very happy, especially our beautiful model Martina. For the lips, I'm using the Spice Lip Pencil by MAC Cosmetics, which is always sold out wherever I'm looking for. That's how good it is. I'm lining the lips and I'm filling up before I continue with the liquid lipsticks. This time round I'm using a makeup brand which is called Farmasi, and I found it in Serbia, and I'm so happy how affordable yet so good this product is. This is in the shade 12. And lastly, I'm setting out the makeup, and this is how I transformed our naturally beautiful girl into a bombshell. Enjoy! And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating this for you guys. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Until I see you in my next one, bye!